अस्सलामुअलैकुम माय फ्रेंड्स, हाउ आर यू ऑल। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि बिल्कुल ठीक होंगे। दोस्तों, आज के इस वीडियो में हम कंप्लीट कोर्स ऑफ वोकैबुलरी का पार्ट 11 डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। तो ज्यादा टाइम वेस्ट ना करते हुए चलिए जल्दी से वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। उससे पहले अगर आपने मेरा चैनल अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर दें ताकि ऐसी हेल्पफुल वीडियोस आपको वक्त पर मिलती रहें। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं हमारे फर्स्ट वर्ड के साथ, एनीमोर। एनीमोर मीन्स अब, एनीमोर मीन्स एनी लॉन्गर। एग्जाम्पल, हर ओल्ड पैंट्स डोंट फिट हर एनीमोर। Asleep. Asleep means सोया हुआ. When a person is asleep, they are not awake. Example, the baby has been asleep for hours. Berry. Berry means berry. A berry is a small round fruit that grows on a certain plants and trees. Example, the berry looked delicious. Collect. Collect means जमा करना. To collect things is to group them together all in one place. Example, I collected shells when I was younger. Compete. Compete means मुकाबला करना. To compete is to try to be better than someone. Example, he will compete with very good athletes. Conversation. Conversation means गुफ्तगू या गपशप. A conversation is a talk between people. Example, there were two conversations going on at once. Creature. Creature means मखलूक या कोई जिंदा चीज. A creature is any living thing. Example, the creature we saw today was either a dolphin or a porpoise. Decision. Decision means फैसला. A decision is a choice. Example, he made the wrong decision. Either. Either means या तो. Either is used with or to say there are two or more possibilities. Example, you can choose to be either white or black when you play chess. Forest. Forest means jungle. A forest is a place with lots of trees and animals. Example, I love to go walking in the forest. Ground. Ground means मैदान. The ground is the top part of the earth that we walk on. Example, the ground under our feet was very dry and brown. Introduce. Introduce means तारुफ करवाना या कराना. To introduce someone or something is to say who they are. Example, I introduced myself to our newest co-worker today. Marry. Marry means शादी करना. To marry is to legally become husband and wife. Example, Rose and Henry were married and they lived happily. Prepare. Prepare means तैयारी करना. To prepare is to get ready for something. Example, I prepared my speech to the class. Sail. Sail means बहरी सफर करना. To sail is to move a boat on the water. Example, I love to sail my boat on the lake. Serious. Serious means संजीदा. When something is serious, it is bad or unsafe. Example, the accident was very serious. Spend. Spend means खर्च करना. To spend is to use time doing something or being somewhere. Example, I like to spend my free time fishing. Strange. Strange means अजीब. When something is strange, it is not normal. Example, Joy had a strange look on his face after he saw what happened. Truth. Truth means such. The truth is a fact or something that is right. Example, he was telling the truth about seeing a large green snake. Wake. Wake means जागना. To wake is not to be sleeping anymore. Example, he is always full of energy when he wakes in the morning. तो दोस्तों, ये था आज का वीडियो। इसमें भी आज हमने 20 वर्ड्स और सीखे। मिलता हूँ किसी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज, टेक केयर।